4 years ago, it was hailed as the marquee project among many marquee projects for global property developer Shark Tank Enterprises. Instead, 4 years later, this project is being dismantled and lawsuits have been building. Back in 2014, it was Shark Tank Enterprises CEO Kevin O'Looney who put together a star-studded team of high-profile consultants, architects, and engineers to pull off a 50-story high-rise that was to be the design of the century. Utilizing innovative design and construction methods, the project promised to be energy efficient and altogether magnificent. Instead, 2 years into the project, after 26 floors were complete, structural engineers observed defects in the structure leading to the end of construction of this project. Engineers noticed rebar studs sticking out of the tops of seismic coupling beams. This led to further investigation and exposed deviations between where the rebar was placed in the field and where the contract required it to be placed. The municipality stopped the project at the 26th floor. What makes this case so interesting is the defense. The defense was not that the rebar was properly placed. Oh no. In fact, the defendants acknowledge that mistakes were made. They say these mistakes, however, were minor and could have been easily and cheaply repaired. You see, the year that these findings were released was the year of the great real estate market collapse. The engineer that released the report to the public was retained by Shark Tank Enterprises, the building owner and developer. Why wasn't the report kept secret? They had no reason to make it public. Or did they? Was it a coincidence that the market dropped significantly the year the independent structural engineer retained by Shark Tank Enterprises surprisingly released his entire report? By releasing it to the public, they created a great cloud of doubt and suspicion in the public regarding the safety of the building. The public concern, in turn, resulted in municipal inspections and the eventual decision to scrap the project and tear down the building. Shark Tank is suing the rebar contractor, whose expert witness, Ben Cornelius, will testify today that the repairs could have been cheap and effective, but that Shark Tank wanted to dump the project and used these minor problems as a convenient excuse to scrap the project.